At NRF this year, of course, AI is everywhere. I mean, very similar to last year, honestly. It's just more and more AI. And in our own personal lives, we see AI everywhere. And really at Jumpmind, we're looking at it and saying, hey, what can we do with AI to assist the store experience? Obviously, we're focused on store solutions. And we look at the store associate as really that differentiator for a brand. So in our view, AI isn't about replacing store associates. AI is about augmenting and helping store associates. So as we approach AI in POS and AI in assisting that associate, it's how can I bring information to their fingertips faster? How can I make them smarter about an experience with a customer? The world of going through tab after tab and trying to learn about a customer, associates don't have time for that in traditional retail these days. But we still want them to be able to provide an experience that feels as though they had. Our view is that AI can really assist an associate with determining who is this customer, what does she like to do, and how can I best engage with her to help her feel like she's important.